Hello, children. It is I, Mr. E, and this is page 5 of the 2020 Algebra Unit 5 test review. Let's get going. We have no time to lose. He says after a long pause. All right. No, I said that before a long pause. Okay, the graphs of line K and J are shown. Thank you. That's the end of that. Oh, no, here's some more down here. Which system of equations is best represented by this graph? Oh, look at all those equations. Oh, my. Well, let's look at all those equations for a second. All those equations are y equals. Looks like they're all in slope-intercept form. Wonderful! We can identify some key features here on these graphs. And then we can match them up with the slope and the y-intercept up there. So let's find the y-intercept of this line right here. Let's call it line K. Here's line K. It's going to be this line that I will thusly highlight in pink. There you go. Alrighty, the y-intercept is here at 0, 1. 0, 1 is the yint for K. The yint for K. Let's find out the slope for K. Well, from this point, we go, looks like we go up 1 and over 2. Yes. Up 1 and over 2. So that slope is, the slope is up 1 and over 2. That looks like a 1. Sure it is. Up 1 and over 2. Of course, this is the rise and this is the run. That does not look like a word. The rise and the run. Let's start over. This is the rise and this is the run. So that is, get to it eventually, 1/2. So the slope is 1/2 and the yint is 1. So that means that the b value is 1. So this equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 1. So let's go down and look and see which one of these. Okay, that's that one. That is not here. Nope. Can't fool us. It's not B. Let's see. 1/2 x plus 1. That works. This one, nope. We know how to count. We know which way to go. It's not D. All right, we've eliminated 2. Let's see. Let's be smart. Do we want to find the slope or the yint? The slope is 3. These yints are different. Which one is easiest to spot? There it is, right there. -4. Is that a yint of -4? No. But this is a yint of -4. So this is C, numero CO. You're smart. We don't even have to do all that other work. I didn't even have to highlight the other one. Take that. Okay, solve the following system of equations using the graph if needed. Well, seeing as how that's the easiest way to do it, I think I will. So I'm going to set y equal to 0, which means that if y is 0, then anything associated with y goes away, because anything times 0 is 0. So here we go, x equals 2. That gives me the x-intercept, also known as the xint. It's right there at 2, 0. The xint, as real mathematicians say. All right, let's find the yint. That means we have to set x equal to 0. That means that goes away. And now we have to do a little bit of algebra. We have to divide by -2. Don't mind us, other equation. -2. That goes away. Y equals, it's 2 over -2. That's a -1. So the yint is -1, which is right. 0, -1 for the yint. So, erase all this. Our first equation has these 2 points, and just to make sure, we know that the slope equals negative a over b. So that's negative a is 1, and b is a minus 2, so that is a positive 1/2. So our slope is up 1 and over 2. So we can put some more points on if we want to. Back 2 and down 1, back 2 and down 1, back 2 and down 1, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. There we go. Now we can draw a nice line. There it is. Alrighty. And the bottom one, well, we can find the slope the same way. M equals negative a over b. A is 3, and b is 1. So this is a negative 3. Let's find the, well, here, look at this. Set that to 0. Y is 6. So the y-intercept is at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the yint. 0, 6. The yint for the orange line. Let's find the xint. This is 0, so that's nowhere. 3x equals 6. 3x equals 6. Divide by 3. That gives us x equals dose. So that was the xint. So, oh, looky, it's the same point right there. So here's a fancy trick. Let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We went down 6, so it's negative 6, and then over 2. Over 2. So this slope is negative 6 over 2, which is a negative 3. So I can go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1 to find that other point. Down 3 and over 1 is right there again. 1, 2, 3 and over 1 is right there on the yint word. And down 3 and over 1. There we go. So here's our other line. It's right through like that. Not very straight, but you get the idea. And we see where the intersection was. It was right there at the xint of the purple line, and also the xint of the orange line, which was 2, 0, meaning that is our solution. Solution 2, 0. The community xint, because it was shared. All right, last question of the night and the review. I know you're sad to see me go. Believe me, I'm not sad to see you go. Well, I mean, I am relieved. Okay, solve the following system of equations using the graph if needed. Sure, I'll need it, because this right here like that is in slope-intercept form. There's a slope. Here's the yint again. 1, 2, 3. There it is. The slope is down 1 and over 2. Down 1 and over 2. Down 1 and over 2. Up 1 and backwards 2. Up 1 and backwards 2. Up 1 and backwards 2. Look at that nice blue line right there, representing our first equation. Done! The next one, which I'll put in, what color? How about that? X equals negative 2. Well, there's no y. That's okay. We know how to do with this because we remember Vux Hoy. That's a vertical line. So we go to this axis, the x-axis, right here. At this value, I'll write it even, this axis, at this value, this axis, at this value. So that's at minus 2 right there. That's a vertical line that goes through right there. So that is right there. That's oh so straight. And it crosses right there, which is, let's see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is minus 2, 4. And that is the solution. Minus 2, comma 4. All right. There we have it. That is 5 pages of the review, all worked. Expect questions like this on the test. I will see you. Where did I? Oh, yeah, I will see you next time. Goodbye.